Hi, this is Terry Haswell with Has Wellness Family Solutions and hope you are having a great week. We are gearing up for the March Move Marathon that starts on Monday, March 1st. And so I am going to take just a moment to answer a few questions for you. I know that people want to know how's this going to work? You know, what do I need to expect here? So I'm going to answer a few questions for you. First of all, I hope that you have watched my video on mindset because that is one of the key, it's a cornerstone. It's a cornerstone to starting new habits is your belief in yourself and your belief that you can do this. So I hope you've watched that on our Facebook group. I hope you've been aware of any stinking thinking that you may have had. If you've had more positive thoughts or positive self-talk versus negative self-talk, just started to really become aware of that and the belief that you have in yourself and that you can complete this challenge, okay? I also hope that you have been paying attention to your movement or lack thereof over the last few weeks. Just to kind of get an idea, what are my habits? Are there healthy habits? You know, maybe you're just more aware of how often you go to the refrigerator. Now that is movement, but is that the right kind of movement? Let's think about that, right? Maybe you can walk to, I don't know, the back porch or the backyard or something instead. But we just want you to become more aware of those habits. And then, yeah, just your habits and your what you're doing, your movement on a daily basis. So one of the easiest ways to change our viewpoint about ourselves, so if you're finding that your belief or the person that you want to become, you're not there yet, one of the ways to get there is to start changing things that you do. So I'm a healthy person. I make healthy choices. So I'm going to start making little changes to reflect that, right? Because our habits are a reflection of what we believe about ourselves. So that is the other part of the video that I asked you to start moving 2 minutes each day. Something very simple and very doable. What you're doing is you're tricking your brain. You are paving a pathway to tell your brain that movement is important to you, right? You are that person who moves, and you're telling your brain that that's important. So James Clear, which is the book that we've been reading from, his book called Atomic Habits, and I will be going through a lot of those habits throughout the month of March with you to help you really establish some better habits. He says people who make a specific plan for when and where they perform a new habit are more likely to follow through. So that's really the purpose of this plan for March is you've got a plan, you're going to move and have enough movement to equal at least 26.2 miles in the month of March. You are going to do a marathon, right? So that's your plan. The other part of the plan is to be a part of this community where we're encouraging each other. You're getting helpful tips from local professionals, and hopefully you're inviting a friend. You've got some accountability, and you're just becoming more aware of those things, okay? So hopefully you are making a plan on, okay, I know I'm going to have to be moving some. When and how am I going to start to do that? That's why moving 2 minutes already is helping you become that person that you want to be, right? So you're not focused on getting in shape right now. That's not what you're focused on. That's an outcome-based habit. There's my dog in the background. What you are focusing on is becoming the type of person you want to be. And so the smallest actions confirm that type of person. You're casting that vote for the type of person that you want to be. So think about it throughout your day. What would a healthy person do? What would a healthy person do? Would they make this choice? In the book, he gives the example that he had a friend lose over 100 pounds by simply asking themselves that statement every day. Would a healthy person order this burrito or this salad? You know, like what would the healthy person do? Okay? And it all starts here. So now what to expect for this month. We're going to have themed days like Motivational Monday and Fitness Friday and Self-Care Sunday and I think Wellness Wednesday. So we'll have different themes. We're going to have different tips and some encouragement and instruction we've got Marcus, who's the owner of R2 Total Fitness. He's going to be giving some helpful tips and why exercise is important and things that you can do. Tracy is a registered dietitian, and she's also a personal trainer, and she's going to be giving tips on nutrition and possibly even some personal training tips as well. We've got Sue, who's the owner of Healing Palms Holistic Wellness. She's a massage therapist and a wellness coach. So she's going to be giving us tips on self-care and different things that we can do. And I am a life and wellness coach, so I'll be giving you tips, which again, for probably mindset is going to be a big part of that, and of course, habits. And then we've got Dr. Amber York, who is a chiropractor at Town Lake Family Chiropractic, and she is going to also be giving us tips as well. So we are super excited to have all of these folks who are just wanting to encourage people. They obviously see it happening as well, that people need to move. They need better mental and physical and emotional wellness right now. And this is just a simple way to do this. So we're creating that community, and I'm super excited about that. So now how is this going to work? So starting Monday, if you don't have a Fitbit or don't have an Apple Watch or something like that to help you keep track, what I've done is I've just given a guideline. What we're going to say is 2,500 steps or 20 minutes a day of walking is going to equal 1 mile, okay? So with that guideline, keep that in mind. So you can break it up. If you want to do it by 20 minutes, you say, okay, I'm going to do 5 extra minutes in the morning, 5 extra minutes in the afternoon, 5 at lunch, 5 at 3 o'clock, however you want to do it. Or you may choose to do it all at once, or you may choose to do an hour and 20 minutes. However it works for you, do what's best, because that is one way for habit change, is by making it easy. Okay? You're not going to make huge habit changes if you're jumping in and trying to do too much at once. So pick what's going to work best for you and then work that way. Okay? I also have this little, you can see, it's an activity sheet. So what it is I'm going to do a different one each week. There will be some of the same activities on there because they're important. And I would like for you to be aware of doing them. But there's also other activities, and they're all to help us with our mental, physical, and emotional health. So there's some self-care on there. There's some exercise squares. There's some nutrition squares. There's things like took the stairs instead of the elevator, something like that. Okay, well, there's 3 minutes of extra exercise a day, right? Because you just took the stairs instead, and you went up 11 flights of stairs. So I'm just saying there's different things I want you to be aware of, and we're going to give you tips that way. So every Sunday, I want you to go on my website, which has Wellness FS, has Wellness Family Solutions, so has wellnessfs.com. And I would like for you, there's going to be a pop-up. It's already there. And you're going to enter your name and email, and then you're going to say how many activities you chose to complete, and also how many miles you completed for the week, okay? And this is going to be what helps you in the drawings. We're going to have weekly drawings. There's all kinds of prizes. Some of the different professionals are donating different prizes, so that's exciting. We're not going to announce those yet, but I am going to be giving away things like Deep Blue Rub, which is great for inflammation and great for just soothing the muscles after a workout or something like that. It's not going to be about these products. These products are just tools that help. They've helped me, so I want to share them with you. I believe in the products that I use, but it's not about these products. So if you are interested in learning more about those products, I will direct you to another group or something like that, because that's not what this challenge is about. But I do want to share these tools with you because I want you to succeed. So I'm so super excited for you. So yeah, every Sunday, enter your activities, the number of activities you completed and your miles, and then everything starts on Monday. And just tune in on our Facebook page, or if you are not on Facebook, you can go to my website and I will post videos and tips and stuff there as well. Okay, we're super excited to have you, and can't wait to see you on Monday. Thanks. Bye. If you have any questions at all, please comment below, and I hope this answered several of your questions, but if not, then please ask more and we will help you as best we can. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.